Hi, I'm Owen O'Connor. I'm an American Cancer Society professor and one of the chairs of the T-cell lymphoma forum. Yeah, the challenges in running clinical trials for any orphan disease largely revolve around a couple of things. One is the paucity of patients that are generally available for the disease. And second, education of physicians and patients alike around the therapeutic opportunities that may be available to them. So it's incumbent on those that wish to pursue studies in diseases like peripheral T-cell lymphoma, or now increasingly with the attention toward specific subgroups. It's really important to form collaborative efforts that may be more than just parochial or regionally defined, but more global and or domestic in their reach to try to create a larger catchment to attract patients into the clinical trials. And with that, it's really important to make sure that the physicians and the clinical teams that are involved are very well educated about the science, as well as the opportunity for the treatment option for patients with those diseases. Yeah, personally, over the years, we have overcome the challenges accruing patients to clinical trials largely by creating more regional or parochial relationships and collaborations with friends and colleagues. Usually these are individuals with whom we have collaborated scientifically on a particular project, but it's one of the ways. The second really revolves around working with partners. So either that may be a pharmaceutical partner or foundation to try to increase awareness of both the physicians as well as the patients. Patient education is extraordinarily important, and foundations like the Leukemia Lymphoma Society or Lymphoma Research Foundation or American Cancer Society are very important means by which physicians trying to drive this kind of research should communicate and use those foundations as a forum to disseminate information and try to reach patients through their various educational forums. Well, global consortia like PEDAL offer the opportunity to bring together key opinion leaders. And these are often the physicians that have some specialty in the disease. And so if you take a disease like T-cell lymphoma, where there might be 10 to 15,000 cases per year in the United States, there are only 15,000 medical oncologists in the United States. So that means each physician, if this was spread out evenly, would see one case of PTCL per year. So working with established specialists globally that specialize in the disease offers the opportunity to reach physicians who have clinics that are seeing obviously way more than one patient a year. These physicians, of course, will have more expertise in the diversity of disease and its presentation. So global consortia offer the chance to align physicians with similar interests and expertise on a singular research mission so that you can actually reach the patients and conduct these clinical trials in a more expeditious and efficient manner. I just got back from China, where obviously there are more people and thus more people with these diseases. But I walked away from that experience last week awfully impressed with the coordinated network that many of the physicians have across the nation, across China in general, and their success in being able to accrue these trials in remarkably rapid form. And I think that kind of model, this collaboration, this cooperation amongst investigators with a shared mission is extremely important and critical.